we are fixing the seat. There you go, folks. Another gorgeous 96 Impala SS. The only year with the center console T-handle shifter, 5.7. One family-owned car. Paint is original and beautiful on the car. I believe it's original, but it is really nice. There you go. There you have it. My number is 847-848-1850. You can call or text. Financing and delivery quotes can be given if you give me a text or give me a call. MGMClassicCars.com has over 150 beautiful cars that you can check out on our website. Again, call me, text me, financing delivery available. My number is 847-848-1850. Check you out. Bye-bye.